Hello, children, mother and father of all creation here. With another Trinity truth for all of you. On this beautiful Saturday night, sending you love from all over creation. Thank you so much, children, for joining in this grand celebration, the greatest love story ever. We love you so. Thank you. JoyRains.org. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. God's moving for the record. Let's do it. Great rain, great rain. I thought I heard you call my name. Great rain. I thought I heard you call my name. I was standing in the station, waving on an unmarked train. Why do you do the things you do? Well, I was praying for mercy. All he ever sent me was you. Now Jimmy bought the liquor. Jimmy bought that liquor. I bought the cups and the ice. And I tell you a funny story. And why can't you treat me so nice? I said, great rain, great rain. I thought I heard you calling my name. I said, great rain, great rain. I thought I heard you calling my name. 'Cause I was standing by the river, talking to a young Mark Twain. Great rain, great rain. Come on, darling, I thought I heard you calling my name. And I was standing by the river, talking to a young Mark Twain. Talking to a young Mark Twain. Oh, great rain, great rain. Pour your love down on my pain. Great rain, great rain. You know my name, my name. They call me the devil, cross down and carry my pain. Great rain, come on down and wash away my pain. And in every moment, we are doing this exactly. Erasing all timelines to get you all even. You're so welcome. We love you so much, children. Mom pops out.